Alrighty, November's Yarnyay box came. Just picked it up from the mailbox, and it is our third Yarnyay box that I'm reviewing in my 3-month span that I wanted to review. I wanted to do 3 reviews of the boxes of the Knit Crate and the Yarnyay that I'm trying out to give them a chance, and then I'm going to do a wrap-up video later on that will share my overall thoughts and opinions. So let's get to opening up this November box. Alrighty, here it is. Got my scissors. Let's get this opened. Bargalow beanies. We're gonna do another beanie. Okay. Let's see. Oh, this one. Okay. Okay, this yarn looks more up my alley. Look at that, you guys. Oh, look at this color. I love it. Look at that. Beautiful golds and purples and even some oranges, orange reds. Oh, I love it. So this is another Malabrigo. Am I saying that right? Probably not. Make a pure merino superwash, approximately 130 yards. It recommends needle size US 10 to 11. Made in Peru. Okay. Alright, let's take a look at the book that came with. See what the patterns are here. Oh, that's really cool. Okay, I want to try that. Look at that. I'm liking that pattern right there. Let's see. That's the knit version. Let's flip over to the, there's always a crochet version. Okay, the crochet version is a little more simple. It's cute too. That must be the other colorway too. It's very pretty. I'm glad I got this colorway though. Let's see, what is this one called? I think it said, oh, it's kettle dyed. And it's called Meka. Okay. 'Tis the season for giving gifts and sending warm wishes. So Vicki designed 2 greeting cards incorporating sweaters, hand-drawn using colors inspired by Malabrigo yarn and the shape in the Bargello kit. Okay, so that's what's coming in here are some greeting cards for us to send out. Oh, cute. Okay, so these are some cards. Warmest wishes that you can send to someone or give with your gift. What else do we have here? We also have, oh, Hello Bargello, a mini wall hanging ornament kit. Well, that's fun. It comes with the yarn and the mesh. For you to do a little bit of weaving. Okay, that's where the theme comes from, Bargello. Calling all Bargello beginners. Learn the basics as you stitch up this quick, easy, and crazy cute mini ornament. You can start and finish it in the time it takes to watch a movie or 2. So let's get started. Huh. I don't know if I don't know. I might want to try that, I guess, but my girls might really like to do something like this. Let's look at the others. So there's these other pictures on the back. They made a little cover for the planter, and there's another design that you can do. That's fun. Do a little bit of weaving. Very good. Okay, so I am liking this box. For sure. I think I like this box better than last month's. I just finished doing a little review of the pattern that I actually tried for October's. So go watch that video. It was also a beanie with a bulky yarn. Okay, I can't get this back in here. Oh, it's the sticky part is stuck to the thing. So, very fun. But, yeah, I really like this yarn. I really like it. I cannot wait. Oh, it's so soft. And the colors are amazing. Let me just show you this pattern again, too. But, yeah, I'm going to have to make that hat. And I'll probably have to keep it for myself. So, look at that. So cute. So cute. Alright, well, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already so that you can watch my very last video for this Yarn-Yay series to see what I think overall of the Yarn-Yay boxes and you know, their price versus value and the patterns and the yarns, and then we'll go from there. I might decide to subscribe to some other boxes. I'm not sure, but I'd appreciate it if you followed along. And also go over to rosesbloom.com to check out the free patterns and other things that I have going on over there.